Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel EXP22 Word Chapter 3 Cumulative Tourism. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So next we move to the main project steps. Total step is 19 and project description is as a member of local chapter of the Advanced Society and you are involved with the promote which encourage travels natural environments. In the process you will finalize a short flyers identifies describe word tables and business have support the efforts distributing town business name and contact in the flyer. We move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is start a word, download and open the file name EXP22 Word Chapter 3 Cumulative Tourism. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So go to the Word file. I have already downloaded the EXP22 Word Chapter 3 Cumulative Tourism. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is place the insertion point at the end of the document. Insert the 2 by 3. So next place the insertion point at the end of the documents. Insert the 2 by 1 table. Adjust the width of first column 2 inch and apply the table styles of list table 2 8 and 6 row 2 column 7 under the list tables. Insertion point at the end of the document. Insertion point at the end of the document and insert the 2 by 1. So go to the insert tabs and go to the table groups and 2 by 1. So adjust the width of first column 2 inches, width of first column 2 inches, first column 2 inches. Go to the table layout tabs. So just the width of first column 2 inch and press enter. And next apply the table styles of list table 2 H and 6. List table 2 H and 6. So list go to the table design tabs and list table 2 H and 6. List table 2 H and 6. List table 2 H and 6. Click OK. And next so question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is, we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is, center the newly created table horizontally and select the tables. So next, center the newly created table horizontally and select the tables and apply the shading of gray accent 3 lighter 80% to column 7, 2 row 7 column. Center the newly created center tables, the home tabs and click the centers. Center the newly created tables horizontally and select the tables and apply the shading of gray accent 3 lighter 80%. So next, select the table and so center the newly created table horizontally and select the table and apply the shading of gray accent 3 lighter 80%. Apply the shading gray. Go to the table design tabs and next click the select the table and apply the shading gray accent 3 lighter 80%. Shading gray accent 3 lighter 80%. 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 Click OK. So question number 3 is complete. And we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, insert a row between the first and second row of the first tables under the eco-friendly word destination row. Type the destination in the first cell on the new row and type the description in the next cells. Type Ch03 dating in the last cells on the row. So insert the new row between the first and second row of the table. First and second row of the tables. Row between the first and second row of the tables. Eco-friendly destination row. First and second row and type the destinations, description and Ch03 dating. Go to the table row tabs and insert the row below and next type the destination. So next destinations, P and paste the destinations and next on the new row and type the descriptions in the next cells. So next Type the description is the next step. And next C2 rating. And C2 rating. So question number 4 is complete, and we move to the question number 5. So question number 4 is complete, and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is: insert a column at the right of the last column in the table and type the approximate wasted years in the last cell on the second row, and type the data in the final two column of the table as follow. Insert a column right end of the last column. Insert to the right of column and insert the last column in the table and type the approximate wasted year. Approximate wasted years. Last cell on the second row. Second row. And next, type the data in the final two column of the tables, and C2 rating is type 8, and next 7. So copy the value and paste the value. So next, copy the value and paste the value, and 9. And 6. So copy the value and paste the value, and 6 and paste the value. So next is 9 and copy the value and paste the value. So next, type 9 and copy the value and paste the value, and next 10. Type 10 and paste the value, so next is 7 and paste the value, and 8 and copy the value and paste the value, 8 and paste the value. So question number 5 is complete. So question number 5 is complete, and we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is: next we will move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is: select the first tables and select the border styles of double solid lines 1/2, ascent 3, row 3, column 4. Apply the selection to outside borders auto fit content of the tables. Select the first tables so select the first tables and select the border styles double solid line 1/2. Border style double lines Go to the home tab and go to the borders and click the border settings. So next select the first table and select the border styles, double solid lines. Apply the outside borders and out of it column. Border style and double styles. Borders and border styles, double solid lines, double solid lines, double solid lines, and 1/2. And next apply the selection outside border and out of it column. Outside borders and out of it content of the tables. Go to the table layout tabs and out of it content of the tables. So question number 6 is complete, and we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is, we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is, select the first row of the first tables and merge cells. So next is select the first row of the first tables, first row of the first tables, first row of the first table and merge cell. Go to the tabular tabs and go to the merge groups and click the merge cell and center the text of the first row. Centers and click the center the text. Apply the shading of light gray background to darker 50% and change the font color text in the first row to white background once. Bold the text in selected row and change the font size to 14. So apply the shading of light gray background to go to the table design tabs and go to the shading groups and apply the shading gray, light gray background to darker 50%. Gray background to darker 50%. Light gray background to darker 50%. Click OK. And next change the font color text to first row white background 1 and change the font color white background 1 and click OK. And next bold the text and select the row of the change the font size to 14. Go to the home tab and bold focus and click bold. And next change the font size to 14. Next change the font size to 14 and press enter. So question number 7 is complete. So question number 7 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus clear your assignment and you are exam.